Hello friends, welcome to the Techly Z channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI Z790 Project Zero reverse connector motherboard. So friend, it featuring a unique black plug design to its lineup. First showcased at CES 2024, this product is now available for purchase. Price of approximately 332 USD dollar. It is an addition to MSI's innovative back-mounted motherboard series, which previously included the B760M PROJECT ZERO model constructed with 6-layer server-grade PCB. The Z790 PROJECT ZERO motherboard is designed for robust performance and durability. It features a 14 plus 1 plus 1 channel intelligent power supply system catering to high-demand computing tasks, and the motherboard supports up to 256 GB of memory, and it is compatible with DDR5 7200 plus MHz OC memory modules, offering enhanced memory acceleration and simplified overclocking capabilities that can reduce latency by 14% and increase writing speed by 25%. The motherboard is equipped with 4 memory slots and 4 M.2 Gen4 slots, providing ample expansion options for storage and memory. It includes an M.2 Frost Armor extended heatsink for improved thermal management, ensuring optimal performance during intensive workloads. It also supports Wi-Fi 7 wireless connectivity and 2.5G wired network for fast reliable internet access. Additionally, it features a shark fin antenna for enhanced signal reception and a front USB Type-C interface for convenient connectivity options. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.